Hello and welcome to your ultimate eco-friendly gift giving guide. These are all very unique and practical gifts that I can guarantee your friends and family will really enjoy.
I also wanted to preface this by saying that any gift that comes from the heart is a good gift. And one way that you can show that is writing a small little note about why you gave your friend this gift, even how it was personalized for them. And I think that adding this is a really nice touch on any gift that you plan to give your friends or family this season.
So the next gift is for your plant-loving friends out there, or even your friends who are not so great at taking care of plants.
This gift will come with the instructions that your friends need to know how to take care of the plant, but it'll also come with a personality so that they can see and remember to take care of this plant. And so right now I'm just using some papers from my logic and critical reasoning final studying, because it's really nice sometimes to repurpose things that brought you so much stress into something nice and filled with love. So I also like that we can personalize these like paper decorations based on whatever your friend is interested in. So today I'm just doing some googly eyes by cutting out 2 ovals, filling in the eyes with black marker, and then I'm taping the backs of it onto the jar. And just to ensure that you're cutting the plants properly so that they can successfully grow, here is a small demo of how to propagate the pothos plant.
I'm going to try to find a branch with nodes on it. Nodes are these like little places, these little bumps in the stem, and this is where the roots will come out of when you propagate them in water. I'm gonna cut it right here with some scissors. I'm just gonna put it into this jar, which is just a pasta jar. I'm just gonna fill it with water, and one day it's going to look just like this one. I'm thinking of tying a piece of twine over here and then attaching a little index card to it on how to take care of a plant and also the personality that comes with this plant. And it's just overall a very cute idea. Right. And my next eco-friendly gift is a digital planner for your friend. One of my favorite YouTubers is Lavendaire, and she came out with this 2021 Artist of Life workbook. And if you know that your friend has like an iPad that they can download this workbook onto, then this could be a really cool gift because it won't lead to any accumulation of journals. It's a fun way to show them that you care about them and their well-being, and this workbook is helping you on like refining your goals and taking care of yourself and everything like that.
And the next gift idea is a hand-painted tote bag, which you can use for so many different things.
I know you've seen this a whole bunch of times probably before, but I'm just gonna say it again because I think it's the most practical gift. I have a huge collection of tote bags and I never get tired of using them. For your friends who don't want to like use these as like everyday bags, they can use these for grocery shopping. This one is especially cool because it has a pocket inside of it where they can put their phones or anything they want. So you can also use this for school. There are just so many purposes for a tote bag, and if you hand paint it yourself to personalize it, I think it's the sweetest, coolest gift.
And my next gift idea involves a whole category of items, but it is
things in jars continued. I know I said no body butter. This one's an exception because I love it, and it's in a glass jar. So this is by Hanahana Beauty, and they are a company that locally sources their shea butter. So not only are you helping build the strength of a small community, but you also get some pretty high quality body butter too. We all know that when we source ingredients locally that it is more eco-friendly to the earth, but it also helps the communities that are producing it. So yes, Hanahana Beauty, I totally recommend. You just put it onto your skin and it just melts into it, and it smells so wonderful. This is the lavender and vanilla scent. I love it so much. But yeah,
Next gift idea is something that you can make at home or buy from someone else, and they are scrunchies. So instead of buying scrunchies from Target or Urban Outfitters, there are a ton of people who make scrunchies made out of like scrap fabric on Instagram or Etsy, and I highly recommend this gift because they're so cute, one of a kind, and eco-friendly in the sense that they can be used from things that would have been thrown away. I got these scrunchies from New Life Scrunchies on Instagram, and I love them so much. The elastic is great, the hold on the scrunchies is great, so I highly recommend this shop. And the next idea is a DIY tarot card deck. And tarot cards have a history that involves a lot of oppression and discrimination, as well as the marginalization of many different groups, such as the Jewish community, the Romani community, and indigenous communities. So I think it's important to understand that before talking about things that involve tarot. And seeing that a lot of tarot card decks on the market were not respectful in their iconography or portrayal of these cultures, I decided to create my own.
I created my own tarot cards, like just for myself, because I was like, they're so expensive and not all of the designs speak to me. So what I did was I cut out some pieces of paper and then I printed out my own designs that sort of align with each message. I highly recommend this project, and what you can do is you can find a box that you don't use anymore. So this one was a gift from my friends Michelle and Ash, and I used all the band-aids in this deck. So now I'm gonna reuse this and turn it into a card deck for somebody. And this will not fit because it's kind of big, but if I trimmed them down just enough, they would fit perfectly in here. I can redecorate the front. It's just a really nice and personalized gift for your friend.
The next gift idea is an online experience on Airbnb, Skillshare, or Masterclass.
My final favorite gift idea is Airbnb experiences. I've been recommending this to everyone because I've taken 7 online experiences already and I love every single one of them. So far I've taken morning routines with an Olympian, how to make a French crepe, creative drawing with an illustrator, how to create Mexican art, a Vietnamese coffee masterclass, novel writing with a best-selling author, and Dogs of Chernobyl, where you get to meet dogs who are living in Chernobyl, and there's just this really cool guy who takes care of the dogs. I'll link his stuff over here, but he's doing really great work, and I think that was one of my favorite experiences because dogs. I'm a cat person, but that was like such a cute, heartwarming, and educational event. So currently I'm a member of Skillshare and Masterclass. Skillshare is really great because you get to learn a lot of different skills in the arts realm. So right now I'm taking a children's book illustration class because I just want to like strengthen my skills in that, and it's really cool. However, I think Masterclass is on a whole other level of production. So I think that every single class is almost like a New York Times op-doc type of style, and I feel like I've learned so much from it because you're learning from top people in that industry. If I had to recommend any eco-friendly gift, it would be the online experiences, because what's more eco-friendly than the transfer of knowledge, right? Instead of buying a physical thing, Airbnb experiences allows you to sort of like give somebody an experience, and I think that's really nice to do, and this is a great way to do so in a safe pandemic way. And you also don't have to ship it, which is pretty cool. And you can buy it whenever, so if this is a last minute present, then this is a really good one. So overall, I hope you liked this video. I hope that my tips are helpful to you. I truly believe in all of these 100%. These are just things that I sat down and really thought about, like what are the best eco-friendly gifts that I can give someone, and this is what I came up with. If you want to see me paint tote bags for my friends, I'm going to upload a new video soon, so you can subscribe here if you want, so that you can check them out. Without further ado, I'm gonna go paint some tote bags, but yeah, thanks for stopping by, and remember to drink your water, take deep breaths, and enjoy your time wherever you are. Thank you. Bye.